Hi, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some salsa. The great thing about this recipe is you can put everything in the food processor. So I'm starting off with some fresh tomatoes from my garden, and then this is 4 tomatoes I got from the grocery store that I've quartered. And I've also, you can use either purple or white onion, about 1/3, depending on your taste. But I just use like half and half of each. Then I've had some tomatoes here from my refrigerator, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then about a 1/2 teaspoon of, a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. If you don't have a variety of tomatoes like I have, you can do about 5 or 6 regular tomatoes, and that should be enough for your salsa if you want to use just all of one kind of tomato. Now go pick a jalapeno fresh from your garden, or you can buy one from the store. Isn't it pretty? You also need to chop up 1 clove of garlic, and also you can use 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, but this is optional. Take all of the ingredients and add them to your food processor. Pulse it in 1-second bursts about 15 times, or until your desired consistency. Now you can enjoy your salsa.